Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out something small but mighty, the brand new Godox IT30 Pro. This little flash is designed for photographers and vloggers who wants portable lightning power without carrying around a huge speedlight. Let's unbox it, go through the specs, and see if it's worth adding to your kit. Inside the box, you get the Godox IT30 Pro Flash Unit, a USB-C charging cable, a user manual, and a pouch. First impressions, super compact, it almost pocket size, making it perfect for mirrorless shooters or content creators who don't want bulky gear. The build is sleek, and it feels premium despite being lightweight. This is basically like having a professional speedlight but shrunk down for portability. The fast recycle time for wireless trigger system make it super practical for an on-location shots.
I see you light up my phone. I can't believe it's your name. I can't believe it. And I wish I could let it ring. But I can't pretend that I don't see it. And I don't believe it. Seeing your name, I feel a familiar feeling. I don't wanna feel it. And I try to reason. Why would you tell me that you've been thinking about me?
For portraits, adds natural fill light without overpowering. For street photography, small enough to stay discreet but powerful enough to light your subject. Wireless setup, pair it with the other Godox light for a multi-light setup. This is perfect for creators who want to set up their lighting game without investing in a big studio flashes.
Think about you. You dance around in my dreams while I'm sleeping. And I think subconsciously, I wonder what we could be if you were here and I don't believe it.
For the pros and cons, pros, extremely portable, fast recycle time, TTL plus manual control, built-in wireless system, rechargeable via USB-C. For the cons, smaller battery compared for a full-size speedlight, lower guide number than the larger flashes, no zoom head, just fixed spread.
Come back around. Oh, really should've known better than to go and give you my heart. Oh, you're cold as December because I know you like to keep me around.
Is the Godox IT30 Pro worth in 2025? Honestly, yes. If you are a portrait photographer or someone who wants a portable flash solution, this is a solid pick. It's not going to replace a full-size speedlight or for your heavy-duty work, but for everyday photographer with lightweight setup, It's a game changer. Before we wrap up, quick shout out to the Puncube Mech wallet, my every carry wallet that's slim, durable, and built to creators on to go. And also the Lensgo Smoke Go, the tiny fog machine I'm using for really creative shots. Both are linked below if you want to check them out. And of course, a big shout out to the Binto app. It's not just our travelers, and it's for everyone who wants to explore and discover new places and experience. If you want to register, don't forget to use my code BTRAPI when signing up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more gear reviews and vlogs. See you in the next one. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.